Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see some facts about camels. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Camels are wild mammals. Number 2. Adult camels have hump, but they born without hump. Number 3. Camels do not actually store water in their humps, but they store water in their blood. Number 4. Camel's milk is incredibly nutritious. Number 5. There are 2 types of camels. Number 6. Camel's body is built for the desert, so they can even eat cacti. Number 7. Camels spit as defense mechanism. Number 8. Camel meat is considered a delicacy. Number 9. There are 160 words for camel in Arabic. Who are all like camels? If you like camels, hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel. Thank you. Thanks to watch kiddies. Do subscribe for more drawings with some information. Thank you. Bye-bye.